Hello and good morning, students. So, in today's class, we'll start a new chapter, that is our chapter number 5, acid, base, and salts. In this chapter, we'll discuss about acid, different type of base, and what are the salts. Okay. So in today's class, as this is the first class of this chapter, first we'll discuss about the introduction part and then we'll start with acids, okay? And then in the subsequent class, we'll discuss about base and salts. So we use a large number of edible substances in our daily life, such as lemon, we eat lemon, right? Then salt, sugar, turmeric, and curd. So there are different things from morning to night which we use in our daily life for different purposes. But can you tell me that all of these things have the same taste? The taste of sugar is sweet. At the same time, the taste of lemon is not sweet, it's sour. So the taste of different thing is different. Because why they have different taste? Because in different substances, different types of chemical entities such as acid or bases are present. Okay, if acid is present, then the taste will be of one type. If base is present, then the taste will be of another type. So based upon the taste, we can classify things into two groups: acid containing substances and base containing substances. Okay, so in table number 5.1, they've given some common food and some common things which you eat along with their taste. Okay, so the taste of lemon is sour. Okay, we all know this. The taste of lemon is sour. Next is orange. The taste of orange is, it can be sour, right? Orange can be sour. At the same time, the orange can be sweet also. The taste of curd we eat is also sour. Then grapes can be sour as well as sweet. Sugars are always sweet. Then salt, what the kind of salt we eat, there is common salt, is always salty in taste. Apple can be sour or sweet. Baking soda is bitter, right? Then vinegar is sour. So one more bitter example I let me give you. If you use probably you have seen that common soap which your mother used for washing clothes, right? The local common soap. The taste of the soap is bitter. So there is that the taste, as the taste is bitter, it will be a basic substance. So based upon the taste, we can classify things into different groups. So as of now, we know that in our daily life we use different type of things, and these different types of things have different types of taste. The taste can be sweet, sour, bitter, or salty. Okay, so there are different tastes. So as I said earlier, today we'll start discussion with our acids. What are acids? So curd, lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar taste sour. So all of we have eaten curd, right? Lemon juice, this is common to us. Orange juice also, you know. So vinegar. So these all taste of all this is sour. Okay. This substance sour because they contains acid. So remember, always remember, I am writing here, if taste of anything is sour, that means it contains acid. Okay, is it clear? If taste of any substance is sour, the substance will contain acid. The substance that are sour in taste are called acid. So curd is sour in taste, so curd contains acid. Which acid? We know it very well that curd contains lactic acid, right? Lemons contains some other type of acid, right? We'll read in detail later on. Okay, the word acid is derived from the Latin word acidus, which means sour. So the term acid, the name acid, from where it came? It came from the Latin language The actual word from which it was derived was acidas. The meaning of acidas is sour, and we have changed the name acidas to acid. In English, now we use acid. Acidas is in Latin language. Acid can be of two types. It can be of organic acid or mineral acid. Okay. Again, I am repeating. Acid is of two types. One is organic acid, another one is mineral acid. Now, as we know, two types of acid are there. We'll read what are these, right? So let us discuss with. Start with organic acid. Organic acids are known as natural acids. Okay, because they are occurring in all natural substances such as lemon. You are not preparing lemon, right? The plant is giving you lemon, the nature is producing lemon, right? Orange, then different other things such as amla, then apples. So these things are tomato, these things are not produced by you, the nature is giving these things, right? So as these are, we are getting this from nature, this acid ultimately we are getting from nature, we call them as natural acids or organic acid. Okay, so in detail, if you clearly want to describe about organic acid, you can say that the acid that are found in plants and animals are called organic acid. That means the acid which you find in all living plants and living animals, that is in living things, is known as organic acids. So some of the acid, name of acid and the source is given here. For example, citric acid from citrus fruits such as orange, lemon. In lemon, orange, which type of acid is there? Citric acid is there. In curd, I just now said that lactic acid is there, right? Amla and citrus fruit, ascorbic acid is also there. Then tamarind, grapes, then mangoes. In these things we have tartaric acid. Then vinegar is having acetic acid. Then spinach, tomatoes, guavas, this contains oxalic acid. Then apples contains malic acid, proteins contains amino acid. So these are some examples of acid and their sources from where it is obtained. Okay, tartaric acid is mixed with baking soda and is used in making cakes and biscuit. So out of all these, we are talking about this tartaric acid. How it is used? It is mixed with baking soda and then it is used for preparation of cakes and biscuit. Okay, acidic acid is also used for pickles and tomato ketchup. So the pickle we eat at home or the tomato ketchup which we eat at home, in that acid is there. You probably heard the term that the people who prepare in pickles at home, they use vinegar. So vinegar, from where we get, in vinegar what is present? Acetic acid is present in vinegar. Okay, so next is mineral acid. So what are called mineral acid? The acid prepared from minerals of the earth are called mineral acid. That means these acids are not made by nature. We are preparing for our interest, or if made by nature, then these are due to some other activities. These are not found in any living plants and animals. Okay, they are human-made acids and are known as laboratory acid because they are used in science laboratory to perform experiments. As I told, these mineral acids are not made by nature; these are made by human beings. And where these are mainly used? These are mainly used in laboratories, technician laboratories, okay, pathology laboratories, your school laboratories. The most common mineral examples, acid examples are sulfuric acid. Okay, along with the term, remember the scientific notation. H2SO4 is attached with the name of sulfuric acid. Okay, then nitric acid, HNO3, hydrochloric acid, HCl. This H2SO4 is used in our battery cells, inverter battery cells, car battery cells. This H2SO4 is used. Okay, HCl in our stomach also, HCl is there in small amount. Then HNO nitric acid is also there in different natural this hot springs. Mineral acids are very strong and dangerous. So remember, these mineral acids are very much strong. Their strength is very much, and they are very much dangerous. Okay, they are highly corrosive in nature. Okay, so if you touch this nitric acid or sulfuric acid in their pure form, or hydrochloric acid in their pure form, what will happen? This may even burn and severely damage your skin and tissue. Okay, so these are known as dangerous, as they are capable of harming you. Okay, so people who work with these acids in different industries or different other laboratories, what they do, they handle these with very much care. They use gloves, okay, hand gloves. Then helmets are there, eyeglasses are there. Okay, so the people who work with these things, they take care of these things. They maintain all these precautions before using this. And one who is working with these things, he always should keep these acids away from children. He should be extra um, sensitive to these things. Okay, and he should take these things very seriously, because these are very dangerous. This may even damage his tissue in serious way. Okay, so one more term is there, diluted and concentrated acids. Okay, so these two terms, then our acid topic is over. Okay, an acid can be diluted or concentrated depending upon the amount of water present on it. So let me give you one clear example. For example, you have one glass of milk, okay, pure milk, in which your mother or the salesman of milk, okay, he have not added any water. So the pure milk is known as the concentrated. Concentration is more. As soon as you will add water on it, it will become diluted. Concentration is less. So remember, whenever you say concentrated, that means the strength is more, because the concentration is more, it is more pure. But dilute means we have added water to it, you have added some amount of water to it, then now the concentration is less, so the strength is also less. So in terms of book language, dilute, what is dilute acid? The acidic solution that is a large quantity of water and small quantity of acid in is called dilute acid. That means the type of acid in which water is more and the actual acid is less. For example, in this type, water is more, okay, and acid is less. The next type, the acidic solution that contains small quantity of water and large quantity of acid is called concentrated acid. In this second case, water is less but acid amount is very high. Okay, so both are alternative to one another. Okay, dilute, in case of dilute, the water is more and acid is less. In case of concentrated, water is very less and acid is very more. Okay, so this is for today, boys. We have done a very basic discussion on these acids. On our next class, we will discuss on bases. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me in YouTube also, in WhatsApp also. So this is for today. Thank you, students.